trash cans are flying everywhere. Holy cow, it's getting cold. And extremely windy. Wow, what was that? Blowing the trash can. Jeez. Leaves are flying everywhere. Wow. This is strong. Look at it. Wow. All the trash cans in this place are gonna all be knocked over by the time this storm makes it. It might also be a little windy too, but it is definitely coming fast. I want to get like the strongest part of the storm. That's what I want. This thing is moving quick. Okay. Jeez. Wow, look at that. Stuff is windy. I feel like I'm right under rotation. Whoa, look at how high that thing is. Why is that stuff so high? It's debris super high in the air. Goodness. Stuff all the way up there. Jeez, look at that heat right there. Alright, this thing's connected. Oh, it's gonna be, look at, there's like, can we turn down the brightness? You see the green in it, kind of? There's somewhat like a greenish color in it, in my perspective. It's like clouds under. That is like, this cloud right here is moving like crazy. See that little sliver where it cuts? It's like spinning up like crazy. Don't know why, but it's definitely not a tornado. Probably just weird. Wow. Look at this. Oh no! Crazy windy. It's starting to gust out some wind and it's starting to cause a little bit of wind. Because about dry it's been here, so we'll see what this ends up. Whoa, that's weird. There's the light. I hear the thunder, Mom. Thunder, thunder. And it's starting to sprinkle a little bit too. It's gusting out some of its rain. Jeez. The stuff is windy as heck. Looks like it's gonna miss us. Overall, like it wants to miss us. Yeah, I'm seeing the lightning flash. Darn it, we're missing out on all that. Passing us. It is causing a lot of wind though, that's for sure. Bigger droplets falling. Whoa! It's for the thunder. Okay, yeah, now it's trying to rain. Woo! It's gonna be loud thunder too. and oh, it's all still rolling because of the wind. Hasn't even fully hit us yet. Somebody get their trash can. Jesus. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Trash cans are still bringing in the other trash cans. This rain is unbelievable. It's not Sweden. Okay. Good. Some of it's starting to somewhat fly off the people's roofs. It's windy. Not seeing much lightning anymore. Still all the way over there. Extremely windy. So rain is flying across the road as it comes in. Okay. Jeez, Mom. Okay. I'm back out. Look at grass. Extremely windy. The grass. To the point where it hurts when it hits you. Jeez, look at it fly through the road. Holy cow, man. Look at this. Holy cow, man. Look at that. Look, watch. Huge gust. Huge gust. It won't. Promise. Holy cow, man. It's windy. Holy cow. Holy cow, man. It's windy. Just improved. It's a little bit rainy. this. Look at it. Look at that. Look, you can see it just like fly across the sky. Oh my. My. You gotta be joking. Man. What do people do to you? Mother Nature, gosh. Holy cow. Look at it fly. Just to see it in the air flying. Oh my gosh, man. It's crazy. Crazy out here, man. Flowing up. Flowing through in here. See it? I can hear it though. I'm definitely hearing some lightning though. Gosh, that was crazy when it was coming in. Gosh. Oh, there it is, right there. Coming through now. Told you guys I could hear it. Ooh, it's piling up quick. It's gonna start overflowing. It's gonna go into there. Told you we were under a flash flood. That happened in like no time. I could hear it come down. Hear it. Woo. So much rain. So much. This water is warmed up. What's that? Whose cat is that? Dude, this cat oh, it's overflowing now. Here we go. Okay. It's starting to overflow now. Ooh, there it goes. This stuff still goes on. Okay. Crazy. Wow. Came in no time. Jeez, can't even see up there. Visibility is like... Visibility is not a mile an hour. 100% it's not. Jeez, I feel like I'm in a hurricane, man. I feel like I'm in a hurricane. Jeez, man. This is just an ordinary Texas storm. Man, it is windy. Holy cow. It is windy. flooded. It is flooded. Oh. Ordinary Texas storm. Man, this is like flood water. Gee, that is deep too. Wow. Holy cow. It's pushing through. Wow. My gosh. I've been waiting for a day like this. This is crazy though. How much water is flowing down here. That's crazy though. How much water is pumping out of it. I end up taking over the street. There's gonna be more water going in than there is going out. It's gonna, hopefully that doesn't end up happening. But who knows? Can't predict the future. Can you? Gosh, it's getting random gusts, like to 70 to 60 miles per hour. Jesus. Whew. It's crazy though. This is a special weather statement storm, but I think it should be severe warned. Gosh. Can't even see the lightning at this point. That's how bad this is. Oh, finally we're in the clear again. A little bit. Finally see it flying across the sky. Oh, it's clearing down a little bit. Jeez, man. Look, it's rapid water. Holy cow, it almost took up the drain. Woo! Rapid water. Okay, it's calming down. Okay, guys. This is kind of crazy. I haven't been through a storm like this for a while. Whew. It is horrific. Wow. I think this is the end of the storm, hopefully. There's flood in the state, that's for sure. So much water coming out of that right now. I mean, you saw that thing was clear, and now it ends up turning into that. No matter how, 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes. Now I felt that lightning strike in my chest. You guys probably can't hear it because of how, like, the water and stuff, and probably over the wind and rain, but I just heard that. That was loud. Man, this is strong water. Oh my gosh, man. It's rapids, producing rapids. It's gonna produce rapids all the way over there. I was like, what's the purpose of this pipe? Now I see why. They just want to do stuff. Whoever made that pipe knew what Texas storms are like. He's making 3 rapids. One rapid, 2 rapid, and then there's a small one back there. Whew. Jeez. Crazy. Texas storms are crazy. And this is just like, this isn't even that much compared to what other people are getting in the storm. It's way crazy. Man, I can't see anything. Holy cow. It's crazy. Okay, it's calming down a little bit. Whew. Okay, now the visibility is starting to kick up a little bit. Starting to be able to see a little better, but I can still hear lightning and everything. It's gonna rain until 8 like this. It's gonna be raining like this until 8. It's already like 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna get it for a little longer, but that's okay. Ooh, it's gonna feel like this for a little while. Whew. Water's pumping though. Look at it blow through. See sunset earlier. I couldn't see a damn thing earlier. I mean, a darn thing earlier. Jeez, flooded it back here. I think that's good for now. I think I'm done. No clue what's going on, but places in Converse, lights are down in some places of Converse. It settled down for a little bit and then it started up again. But, oh my gosh, you guys have to come see this. Sidewalks flooded. Streets is a little flooded too. It's freezing cold outside. We run through the streets. Visibility slowing, going down. Starting to go down again. Whew. Still pushing out water. Okay, but follow me. Oh, wow. Look. Forest is somewhat flooded. So, we go over here. Whew. Look at this. Look at it push out. Now that is some crazy rapid water. Jeez. That river is probably flowing. Whew. But it's kind of crazy out here. So I'm gonna head home and check out the river, see what's going on there. Because this is crazy, man. I mean, crazy. Still see other side, and then we see all this rain over here. Gonna get this for a couple hours, maybe like an hour or two, I don't know how long. Cause the weather channel's down. Can't check out their thing. It's cause of Converse and stuff. Nothing's really working. It's crazy though. This one storm can cause lots of damage. Oh, and by the way, our backyard could have seen better days too. Oh shoot, our shingles. These are our shingles. These are shingles flew off the roof. Where the frick are both of them? Right there. Jeez. See you guys later though. Oh my gosh.